Hey ladies, it's Taylor Alyce here, and I am back with another video. Let me just take a breather real quick because I haven't been sitting down like this recording video in a long time. It's probably been a year and a half, to be honest, since the last video that I recorded and put up on YouTube. I have been recording just on my phone, my day-to-day life, really. That's all it's been. I think I kind of just wanted to take a little break. I know I said I was back, but then my mental state, I just was not there regarding like content, regarding anything. So, a lot's been going on in my life. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know what is going on, or somewhat of what's going on. I haven't really showed all of the details of what's going on in my life, but for the most part, you guys know that my husband and I had a baby girl. Her name is Autumn. She is amazing. She just hit 2 months. So all of that's been going on. I wasn't hiding my pregnancy or anything like that. I was very open about my pregnancy on Instagram. I just didn't really film too much of sit down regarding my pregnancy, like giving you guys updates. But I do have like snippets and little videos of me just like day-to-day life, what my cravings were, what I was feeling like, my doctor's appointments and different things like that. So I have those videos that I can totally upload and just do a little compilation or something. My labor was kind of crazy. I can do a whole separate video for that, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I do plan on coming back and just sharing my life. I was so confused, not confused, but just a little bit down in regards to like what my content will be on my YouTube. I was kind of over like the beauty stuff. Like I'm a girly girl in real life, but a lot of the times I don't wear a lot of makeup. Like this is my makeup look and it's not even that good, but this is just what I do to my face. I don't really do much regarding like beauty stuff, but I do plan on getting into that. And then my hair, I was kind of over like the natural, like having to put like natural hair on like my videos. It's just, this is my hair. So styling my hair, I really just don't style it that much. This is what I do to my hair. I just wash it, condition it, and let it go. Right now I have like finger coils in my hair, and then probably in the next month I'll have, you know, braids. Like I change my hair so often and I don't film it because sometimes I just do it in an unorthodox way and it's not a teaching method. It's just how I do my hair. So I may do it wrong, but it doesn't look wrong. So I don't ever want to put out that content to tell you guys this is how to do something when it's not, because I do it and I tweak it in so many different ways. I'm starting to like realize that my 20-year-old self is completely different from my 25-year-old self. As you guys know, my birthday was in July. I turned 25 July 29th, and I'm a Leo. I just have a different aspect or like mindset on life at this point. I'm just very thankful to be alive. I was in a car accident in May. I had my baby girl in June. I turned 25 in July. A lot of things were happening. I found out I was pregnant in December of 2018. January, you know, I wanted to be able to do what I needed to do. I started a new job, or not a new job, but just a new position within my job. I was learning my team. I was learning a lot of things about myself regarding leadership, regarding my faith, regarding everything about life within the last 8 months. So a lot has changed, but my excitement and my enthusiasm about life and about being on YouTube and about being a mom and about being a wife and being a friend and being all this stuff has just like came into one, and I'm trying to prioritize. I'm trying to take ownership of like what I'm feeling and putting it out there. So you know, one of the main reasons why I left or I went on a break or whatever, I get overwhelmed when I edit. Like when I do these sit down videos, I want to be able to just do it in like 2 takes and that's it. I don't want to edit too much, so I don't like to add in little sound effects and stuff like that with videos because I get so overwhelmed because I want to do those things, but I get overwhelmed. I'm learning to break those barriers about myself and like learning to really like zone into those feelings and be able to break through them and push through. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to get back into, recording these videos and letting you guys know how I'm feeling and all that stuff. There will be updates regarding my pregnancy, regarding my labor, regarding my first trimester, second trimester, and into my third trimester. And then also just a story about how I went into labor and how I found I was pregnant and all this stuff that I have not even shared with you guys. And it's an amazing feeling. It was scary at first, but it was just amazing feeling to be able to like see the whole process of like my pregnancy and like my growth and just how I did it and how my husband and I are adjusting. So that's what I want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys have questions. I hope you guys have suggestions about videos that I plan on making. If you guys want to leave a suggestion down below, please feel free to. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my information is in the description box. Most of you guys, know me from Instagram or have like seen my Instagram, so hopefully you guys will follow me and just let me know of what questions you have, what videos you want me to post, and different content information. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs this video up, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.